What the hell?
You're paying for grease.
Dude, are you... You bought this? Yeah, I bought it.
You have a percentage back? You have a percentage back?
Are you sure?
Awesome. This is going to be a great job. It's not a joke.
Are you serious?
Scratch the rest.
What are you gonna do? Dude. You got more? Damn. You can't top that. Give me that one, Aaron. Oh, okay.
Don't lose it.
No.
Don't rush it.
That is insane. Andrew, this is a joke.
Keep going, dude.
No. Scratchers. They say lottery. California lottery.
Can I see?
Match 3 like symbols in the same game across one prize shown.
Make sure read all the
You
small
have to
print.
choose one game?
What do you have to do now? Match 3 like symbols in the same game across one prize shown or for that game or find diamonds. Okay.
Aaron, can I see your winning
Scratch all of them?
Find out.
So.
Let me see it. How do you?
Hang on, this piece of paper is $10,000. Match 3 like amounts, win that amount. Win $10,000. I just won
Let me
$10,000.
see it.
Hold on.
Oh my goodness.
Read the back. Wait, it tells you how to cash it.
Are you sure that's not the check I wrote you?
By mail or in person.